Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a team in Royal Match. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the teams icon in the bottom section of your screen. Click on the create option. Here you can choose a logo, add a team name and add description about your team. You can also choose your team type to keep it open or closed. If you keep your team open, anybody can join your team. And if you keep your team closed, then they'll have to request you to join the team. You could also select the required level for those who wants to join your team, but you yourself have to reach level 50 in order to do so. You'll also have to keep in mind that you must have minimum 100 coins in order to create a team. Now tap on the create button. So that is how you can create a team in Royal Match. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.